Hi, YouTube. I have pink pistol and pink pistol with pink knife.
I said I have pink penis.
Delta, you have pink penis? That equals pussy.
Remember, that's not really good.
YouTube, we finally revealed Delta's gender.
Yeah. I wish I could laugh right now.
Delta.
I wish I could smile. I wish I could do anything with my face, but it's numb.
Die, motherfucker. Oh.
Hey, man, dude, calm down. Hey.
Oh, I love how I survived the bouncing Betty.
How did you survive the bouncing Betty?
I was trying to hack the C4, you know, but,
Can you dodge from bouncing
I'm gonna say, hey, run the dash out there.
I'll show you how to.
Vicious gang, don't touch me. Oh, shit.
Oh, God! You just jumped through the window like that, man. Wow.
Billy, what are you doing?
I am something.
Now everyone knows you're there.
Face right now, because he actually has a fucking face to feel.
You're a butt jerk.
Go back to my dentist, who numbed my fucking face. That 40 really kind of sucks.
YouTube, this is what happens when Delta gets mad.
It's gonna be ow. Thanks for that shock charge, buddy.
Friendly UAV
No, I can't. I went from numbness to tasing. Just like that night in Vegas.
A true player feels his character's pain. I've been promoted.
Friendly care package inbound.
No, you can't feel shit.
Why are they all sniping?
Yeah, you can't go down. Oh my god, EMP system. Woo!
Friendly EMP systems detonated.
It's gonna make my cell phone signal go away again, Dick.
What the fuck?
Now we can't snipe.
Oh god, they're
Oh, my
storming
black
us.
cat is so
They're
just
storming us. Jesus Christ.
There's no signal nearby.
There was like 20 black people that
Yeah, I got
Does anybody have a 4G phone?
Yeah, dude, hold on.
Yeah, I had a 4G.
Alright. I'm gonna use that for you.
Man, what the hell? How did that guy just automatically know where I am?
Friendly
Oh, sweet.
RCXD inbound.
I got a signal and now I'm dead.
Does anybody realize I haven't died yet and I got 3 kills?
Billy, that's a trick question. Anyone realize that no one realized that because no one really cares?
It's realization, man.
Even
Did you realize that I didn't realize about you realizing something?
you don't give no.
Go
I
Delta.
realized that
Realization. Yeah.
Go. No,
You
fuck.
Get the crap out of it.
Dry.
Pokemon, got them all.
Billy.
Wow, I love how they just randomly throw bouncing betties.
I know, that's what I'm having fun.
I'm just gonna hack through all the bouncing betties. Because that's the only fucking way I'm gonna get points this match.
I thought you killed me.
So one person.
I killed 9.
Gonna go pick up you. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo!
Oh, get killed by the grenade. Oh, you
Hey, look, I'm
Why are you shooting at me? Kill me first. Opens the door and just starts shooting my ass.
Because I didn't kill them. Love the random bouncing betties.
Are you enjoying them random bouncing beds? No, it's pink. You're talking about bouncing beds.
The random bouncing.
Enemy down.
The E button is not Xbox.
That's just the parody. It's
Yeah, let me just find the B button real quick.
Well, on my controller, it's the B button because I have a thing. You plug it into your PS3.
You have a thing now?
Xbox controller. I have a thing. Yeah. So you plug it into your PS3. You plug into your PS3
That's right.
controller, into it, and then you plug in your Xbox controller, and it converts your controller over to Xbox. And you use the Xbox controller.
Just so you know, I didn't follow any of that.
Xbox controller for PS3. When your
Because that was originally an Xbox
Well,
player.
I want to use it, but Ghost Recon fucked me over.
player?
Oh my god!
Then
No,
you
really?
you can switch your thing to Xbox. Go in
Yes,
your
but then
settings
Ghost
or your
Recon fucked
options.
me over.
It's called button layout. You press
Get moving!
on the bottom right.
Stand by. Thank you, why
I was being sarcastic, dude. I didn't really care.
I know you're being
Enemy down.
sarcastic.
Okay.
Track reload!
It's kind of
You are
scaring
so
me
late.
because you're actually, like, acting serious. Like, you're scaring me, dude. What are you doing?
Double team.
You're a boy and you sound like
Oh
you're
wait,
a
I got killed by a guy with the movie emblem. I'm okay.
I wouldn't be talking if I were you.
Oh yeah, that's Tommy. That's not her. I'm
Tommy?
10. I'm so that's
Oh, screw it.
No, you're like
This
14.
That's Tommy, he's my friend.
Billy.
Enemy down.
You'll beat Joey.
Really, look.
Well, anybody
his
can beat
favorite
me,
word.
so
He can speak
not an
English.
accomplishment.
English.
Interesting clan tag there. Everybody look at one of the enemy clan tags. Did you see it?
Suck my dick.
That was the best thing. Did you see
You
that?
all know what TMFF is?
I can't go back in the room. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow, this guy's like crazy. This guy. Interesting clan tag.
Wait,
No, it's.
is it
I don't know. I don't want to say it out loud.
Eventually got a kill.
Reloading.
Up down.
Oh, yeah, he did.
I got several.
So proud of you.
Thank you. Actually, 6, not several. Hey, I got 6 and 6.
That's why
Oh,
I'm
another
14
6,
now.
and you're part of the fucking devil.
What the heck is that?
Enemy!
Someone just killed a unicorn.
That was not a unicorn, sir. That was a quadricorn. One of the ones with an ice cream cone. I kinda...
Fucking bitch, I thought.
It broke it off and got it. It looked really cool.
Don't quit now.
Does anybody own a monkey?
Well, that's what 4 corn on the
Sniper's
top
down.
is, right?
Sniper, are you down?
Ah, yes.
Okay, it said sniper's down. Sniper, take cover. So I can't understand what they're talking
Here, let me find the take cover button really quick. Get behind box.
Grenade!
Guys,
We got
voice
this.
control doesn't work anymore.
You really hate being fucking
Hostile grenade!
I hate not being able to fucking smile or laugh or even be pissed off because half my fucking face is
no fucking way.
Objective parameters
I'm coming back
obtained.
out.
Well
It's
done.
wrong.
No, fuck it.
I'm actually pretty fucking good. I've never played
Enemy down!
Fall back out just to go get
I
Tommy.
only play fucking Dominic.